You've searched how to buy shares of Fusion Fuel Green PLC. The company focuses on green hydrogen production and modular electrolyzers. Fusion Fuel Green PLC trades on NASDAQ under the ticker HTOO, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy HTOO, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker HTOO or the company name to find the listing. Select the result that matches Fusion Fuel Green PLC to ensure you have the correct NASDAQ stock. On the asset page, review the company description, the listing details, and the price chart for HTOO. Check the name, exchange, and ticker to confirm you are on the correct stock page. Press the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, and choose order options, then review all details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the order fills, your HTOO position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same example.